Hi guys, it's Dr. Meredith. I am in Starbucks today, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I want to talk about anxiety. I had a patient come in through the app, the AciDoc app that I created, and they came in with anxiety, really severe anxiety. So we were talking, I'm looking at my notes to make sure I cover everything I wanted to say. So we were looking at how long they've been experiencing anxiety, when it started, and they stated that it had always been an issue. That was something that they always had to think about and was an issue for them. So we did some time on therapy. We revisited earlier years of their life, looking for a time when they weren't so anxious. And we went back to, it started when their parents went through a divorce. Everything from that point was hurry, 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 rush, rush, rush. They were always constantly worried about meals, shelter, watching their parents shoulder the load of taking care of their respective homes. Both parents leaned on them heavily for emotional support. They never really felt stable, safe, grounded, never felt things would work out. So that instilled in them a flight or fight type of fear that became ever present in their mentality. Rather than staying in the moment and being at peace, they were always constantly rushing and worrying about what's going to happen next. So, an avenue towards healing that we decided on was that they would learn to take breaths, do a lot of breath work, and actually utilize the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 breath work method. And every day they would, as best they could, outline their day so that they had an idea of what was to come, what was planned, and if anything went awry, there were techniques that we were going to implement or they were going to implement to help with any hiccups in the day. They also elected to do some trust method techniques so that they could learn to trust themselves and that they could handle whatever came up. And of course, the calming techniques would come into play if anything went awry. We can only truly take things one step at a time, blocking out time for each event, pacing yourselves, allocating enough time, over enough time for each thing that's on your list that day, and giving yourself micro rewards and breaks can truly work wonders towards healing your anxiety and your anxious nature. So I advise you to go check out the AciDoc app. It's an amazingly easy to use app and it'll allow you to have access to 24/7 private, confidential, empathic, mental, and holistic support from your phone or whatever device you download the app onto. Check the link below. I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and have a great day.